So we're going to start off with Betty Boop. Yep. Saturday 25th of September. And this is live and online. Again, quite a few different pieces. There's a few toys in this sale, and some porcelain neon signs and arcade signs, and these food signs were also from Conklin Circus Show. We've got Coca-Cola coolers. We've got restored gas pumps, cigarette machine, candy machine, steamer trunk. We've got some really original Sinclair sign, original Texaco sign, some neon beer signs, Cadillac. Oh, you'll see the pinball machines, vintage. I guess that's like a telephone operator's desk. Sun newspaper. Really cool fridge turned into a cabinet. Root beer, weigh scale. Perfect circle, tin sign. There's another key piece here. Ever ready battery sign,